Tomorrow is Halloween, celebrated in England, in Canada, and the USA. Not all people celebrate Halloween. It's a time where adults and children get dressed in costumes and they play trick or treat. You knock on your neighbour's door and get candy. Trick or treat. Trick or treat has consonant clusters in there, so it's quite hard to say. Tr, I, k, trick, tr, e, t, treat. Here's some words about Halloween and what sort of costumes that you might see on Halloween. Ghosts. So I've got some ghosts on my wall here. There's the ghosts. Now, ghosts has a silent letter in. It's got an H in there. So the spelling of ghosts is G-H-O-S-T for one ghost, and then you put the S on for plural. But you don't pronounce that H. Pronunciation, ghosts. So it's a silent H. Next one is jack-o'-lanterns. Now, I've got my jack-o'-lantern here, and I've got some pictures of jack-o'-lanterns, just so you can see a little bit more closely. Now, those are pumpkins that have been carved and put a candle inside to make it spooky. Looks very spooky, doesn't it? Very spooky. So pumpkins, spelling of pumpkins, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, one pumpkin, and then add the S for plural. Listen to my pronunciation. Pumpkin, pumpkin. I don't say that middle P. It doesn't get sounded out. Pumpkin. My mouth forms the P, but it doesn't speak that P. Pumpkin. Okay? Skeleton. So that's a person made of bones, a skeleton. Witches. Witches. Got some witches on a picture here. So witches in a circle around a lot of pumpkins with a campfire. Witches. Cobwebs. So a spider makes a cobweb and they normally hang. There's a spider there. They normally hang on the corners of your room to decorate your room for Halloween. There's bats. There's bats. And there's spooky houses. So in October the 31st, you will see lots of pictures like this on the internet, on social media. Zombies is another word. Zombies. Thinking back to that witch, just going to leave you with one thing, a fun thing for you to do. Witch, W-I-T-C-H, so it's the ch digraph at the end. Witch. So that's the witch. Is a magical lady. Yeah, lady doing magic. Creepy magic, really creepy. Or witch, as in which one do you choose? Spelling W-H-I-C-H. Which one do you choose? Which witch is which? There's a nice little rhyme for you at the end. Tongue twister. Which witch is which? Try and say that 3 times fast. Which witch is which? It's quite hard. Hope you've enjoyed the little video that I've made on Halloween, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween when it comes. See you again soon. Bye bye.